In this section, we will explore how to read and analyze the top talkers for a specific site over Aryaka. Under the Monitor tab, select a reference site from the drop-down list here. From the Quick Links bar, select Top Talkers. Note, to view the Top Talkers page, the time selection should be last day, last week, or last month. Top Talkers information helps identify the most active clients, servers, applications, and flows for the selected site. Here you can see the top client IP, server IP. This information can be useful when you are troubleshooting a site-specific issue. Similarly, you can also see the top applications and unknown applications which are unclassified. Top Flows shows you the client and server pair traffic in order of utilization. It shows details such as protocol, source IP, source port, destination IP and port, and the total bytes transferred over this connection. The Flows tab in Quick Links bar can be used to view connection details between two specific site pairs. Thank you.